Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today we want to present about size reduction equipment. So this is my group member. For the first presenter is me myself. My name is Siti Nuzarifah Nadira binti Nur Zahid. Second presenter is Nur Alisa binti Omar. And the last presenter is Aina Nadira binti Azman. So what is size reduction? Size reduction is particles of solid that are broken or cut into a smaller pieces. Next, what is the function of size reduction? Firstly, particles are ground to increase the reactivity of solids in some industrial reactions. Secondly, it permits separation of unwanted large impurities by mechanical methods. Lastly, it can reduce the bulk of fibrous materials for easier handling. There are four principal types of size reduction machines. Firstly is crusher. Crusher are machines used to reduce the size of rocks, stones, and ore. They are often utilized in aggregates production, construction materials, recycling, and mining operations. And there are four examples of crusher, which is jaw crusher. Secondly is impact crusher. Thirdly is gyratory crusher, and the last one is crushing rolls. Move to the second type, which is grinders. It's known as a power tools or machine tools used for grinding. There are four examples of grinders. Firstly is hammer mills. Hammer mills is the most widely used grinder. Secondly is roller mills. Thirdly is ball mills. And the last one is attrition mills. Next, for the ultra fine grinders is the new type mining equipment for making micro powders or fine powders. This is widely applied in the industry of construction, chemistry, and cement. Example of ultra-fine grinders had three types, which is hammer mills, fluid energy mills, and agitated mills. For the last type of size reduction is cutting machine. A cutting machine is a machine that cuts all kinds of shapes and creation from materials. This makes a cutting job easier and faster for you. Example for cutting machine is knife cutter.
Hello, I'm Alisa. This is application of hammer mills. Hammer mill is used for material processing in mining, mineral, chemical, food, cosmetic, and construction industries. These machines provide reasonably uniform size reduction while ensuring a reliable operation. Hammer mills in pharmacy. First, producing intermediate grades of powder. Second, to package drugs or other products, there is a need to reduce their sizes to fit the packaging equipment. As example, capsule filling machines that fill powders, pellets, and tablets. In addition, for materials whose diameters are larger than the standard capsule types, they should be reduced to reasonable sizes with the help of a hammer mill. Hammer mills can resize solids, dry materials, fibrous material, and slurries. It is an essential equipment in micronization. Hammer mills in food industry. Hammer mills in food industry is used to transform whole kernels into flours. First, producing dry masa flour for the production of tortillas and corn snakes. Second, producing oat bran and oat flours. Lastly, producing feed and processing animal food. Next slide shows the advantages of hammer mills. First, it produces specified top size without the need for a closed circuit crushing system. Next, it is inexpensive. It is also easy to maintain and clean. It occupies small space. Last but not least, the machine is easy to install and operate, and its operation is continuous.
Next, I would like to present the disadvantages of hammer mills. Firstly, the hammer mill is not suitable for low melting or plastic-like materials such as polyethylene and polystyrene. This is because these types of materials may stand the mill's heat, which may lead to heat generation that can be the reason for energy loss. Secondly, the hammer mill is easy to become congested. This occurs when we do not control the feed rate. Hence, this may damage the hammer mill. Lastly, the disadvantage of a hammer mill is the possibility of unwanted materials present, namely stones or metals in the feed. This situation occurs due to the insufficient garbling process. The garbling process is the process of removing unwanted materials that exist in the feed. In conclusion, the most used instrument for reducing particle size is the hammer mill. For larger industrial users, it has a variety of applications for grinding seeds, nuts, beans, and other substances. It offers the benefit of high effectiveness with minimal wait time.